Welcome to $1,000,000 Cafe. Unleash your wealth. Today we are going to see the top 8 booming industries due to COVID-19 and how to use this COVID-19 lockdown period to boom your own business. Many of us losing your job due to this pandemic or trying to start a new income stream for your life. Most of the business markets are completely going down due to this COVID-19, but still some of the business are booming right now. If you want to use this opportunity to start one of the booming business, or if you have any business and you want your business to boom, then watch the video till the end, because some of the industries may suit you to start the business or get into the market easily, because the competition during this lockdown is low. Stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe because we are preparing valuable content daily only for you. Just subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified. Number 1. Video conferencing. Due to this pandemic and quarantine period, the people aren't allowed to gather for parties, dinner or some playtime with their friends. So they need an alternative to join with others in their home itself. Companies also provide work from home, so they need to collaborate with others to solve a problem or make a big decision. The video conferencing provides a way to get through all of this. The Skype and Zoom like companies shows the huge increase of users in this pandemic. Google also launches a meeting app for professionals and Duo for personal purpose because this industry is in demand now. Number 2. Medical supplies. Medical supplies like sanitizers, disposable masks are in shortage. The companies work full time, but they didn't meet the requirements of the people. The supplies are less than the need, so demand rises. The people are more aware than before. They want to be safe and clean, so they put so much money in keeping themselves safe. Number 3. Cleaning services. The professional cleaning services are needed today because people in hospitals and organizations want to be sanitized to not getting caught in COVID-19 or other viruses. The need is increased for professional cleaning services. They want some experts to make their homes safe from the virus attacks. Cleaning services also provide subscription-based models to clean your house or building twice in a month like subscriptions. Number 4. Online learning. The people want to learn from their house itself, and they want to use this time effectively to learn a new skill because the institutes, schools and colleges are closed now. The only way to learn a new skill is to sign up for online classes, and others prefer it's easy to get it from home itself. The research shows the online courses have a peak right now more than ever in the market. If you are not interested in starting this big platform like Udemy or Skillshare, try to make an online course and sell it on popular platforms like Udemy and other like Skillshare. Number 5. Home entertainments. Home entertainments play a huge role in our daily life. For many of us, it's the only way to spend time by binge watching the TV series you like or watch a film you prefer. The major platforms like Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, and YouTube play a major role today. The people are forced to watch on this platform because there is no other choice. They want to spend their time at home. Number 6. Fitness equipments. The gym is closed now to avoid people gatherings. The people want to be fit in one way or another, so they decide to spend some money on buying the fitness equipments and try to work out in their home itself. Due to the increase of awareness among the people, they want to be fit. So the business industries that supply the equipments are booming now. Number 7. Online gaming industry. The people want to connect with people and play some fun games to enjoy their quarantine period. The people are getting bored when they sit inside the house all day, so they want to entertain themselves by playing games. If the game is provided with multiplayer, they are most likely to download the game and play it with their friends. The gaming platforms shows the peak of rising in online activities of the users all over the world. Number 8. Delivery services. The people are most likely to sit inside their homes and order the foods, groceries, whatever they need. They prefer the home delivery options, and many of the companies are providing this delivery service now. The most popular platforms like Amazon are delivering the basic needs to customers through drones. It's easy for the customers to buy and use it with no effort and sitting comfortably at your home. If you want more topics like this, which business idea works now, or how to start a small business that doesn't fail, or how to scale the small business to increase the income, then click a card above and answer the poll or write a comment on what you want next. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you need to show this video to your family or someone you want, just share this video. My recommendations for you to watch next are